Hey guys, what is going on? What is going on? What is going on? This is Jamas again. Today I'm going to take you through step by step how to install a premium setting of robots into your uh, robot that you purchase from a developer. You know,
Let me say, many people, whenever they buy robot from developers, the developer have some specific settings that he gives to the people who purchase the boat from him. So today I'm going to take you through step by step about how to install this particular uh, premium setting that any developer or the person who created the robot is going to give you, because every robot that is out there have a specific uh, uh, parameters that can help you maximize your your let me say your income in this forex market or the financial market. So let me take you through step by step so that you can get the pre-knowledge about all these things, so that when you purchase a robot from anyone at all, if you see some nice robot out there and you purchase the robot from anyone at all, you can ask for a premium setting. And if the developer is able to provide you some, you can just watch this video and install it and maximum your trading in this forex market. So first of all, if you want to use trading robot on your MT5 platform, the first thing you're supposed to do is to go to the top, the left corner, and you're going to find a tool there, a tool where the mouse is. You then click on the tool, then you come to option, then you click on the option. And so after you click on the option, you're going to see that you're going to see expert advisors. So what you're going to do is to click on the first one and the last two, as you can see on the screen, the first one and the last two. The first one just to allow algo trading, and also the second one to allow DL import, and also the third one is to allow web request for the list URL. So you just have to click OK. So the next thing you're going to do next is to come to your navigator. Okay, so you click on your navigator, you can see where the mouse is, you click on the navigator and a place is going to pop up. So when you pop up right, like the way this one pop up, so you are going to insert your boot on the chart. So a lot of people would say that okay, they are going to hold and drag it, or others will say that I'm just going to double click on it and it's going to all the two ways. It's right. So just going to click, double click on it, and you're going to see a pop-up will come. So when the pop-up come like this, the first thing you're going to do is to go to common and allow modification of signal settings, and also come to the input, and you're going to see all the parameters, all the loss size. You can change the loss size, the stop loss, the take profit, the order limit, and the indicator parameters, and the candle ID, the jaw. This is alligator. So we are going to see all these are the parameters of the trading robot. So the trading robot is working based on these parameters. Are you getting me? So this is a default setting. Okay, so every robot have these settings, every robot have a default setting, but some developers will send you a specific settings that are very profitable, very profitable. They are combinations of let me say they are combinations of numbers, or they are combinations of parameters that to give you a higher return on your trading capital. So I'm going to teach you how you can load that into this input. Okay, so the first thing you're supposed to do is that when you ask the developer for the premium setting, and the developer send you the premium setting, you can put it on your desktop or create a folder whereby you put it inside. Are you getting me? So the next thing I'm going to do is to come to load. Okay, so just come and click on load. When you click on load, um, there's going to be a pop-up. But please take note of the parameters right down here. You can see everything. These are the default one. So when you click on load, then where you keep your your premium settings set up, It can be in your desktop, it can be on your pen drive or any folder at all. So have that in mind. So mine is on my pen drive. So let me just go to the pen drive and go for it. This is removable disks. I see in it. So I'm just going to click on the removable disks, and this is it. So the US dollar TYM. So this is set up for the premium setting for the variables. I am using the US dollar H1 Fisher board. So I'm just going to double click on this, and the parameters are going to be loaded. Have you seen what I'm talking about? Have you seen? First it was different parameters, but now you can see that it has been loaded. Stop loss 56, the take profit was 22. Now let me just go back to the default so that you can see the stop loss was 20, the take profit 60, the order limit 2, and the candle ID 0. You can see the jaw 13, the jaw shift 8, the tip parameters 8, and these are the parameters, these are the default parameters. So let me load in, and you're going to see the difference. Okay, you're going to see the difference. So this is a different. So this way I'm keeping the premium setting set up. So I'm going to load it in, and you can see the difference right now. The difference is now the stop loss is 56, the take profit is now 222, and you can see the order limit now move from 2 to 19, and you can see the jaw, the jaw shift, the tip period, and also the tip shift. So this is how the thing is going to be. The trading stop is true, and this is how the premium setting of the boat comes in. So the next thing you're going to do is just to hit on OK, and automatically the boat will begin to work for you. So let's close our navigator. So this is how to insert your premium setting into any trading robot, whether MT4 or MT5. Whenever the developer has given you the premium settings, basically on a specific broker, please take note of that, on a specific broker, because the developer will configure the robot on a specific broker. So for example, I use SNS, so most of my robot I configure them on SNS trading broker. So the broker, that's what I use to configure my robots. So if you purchase a boat from me, I advise that you use a SNS broker for you to get the result I am getting. Okay, so that is how to go about how to use the premium setting on any kind of boat, and this will help you to become profitable in this forex journey. Okay, so the guys, this is all I have for you today, and I wish you guys all the best. Just follow step by step how to go about it, and I think you can make it live. This is the default, and come to load, click on the load, and where you start it up, just go straight, click on it, and it will just be filled automatically to fill in. Then just click on OK, and boom, you are up to go. So that is how it is. When the setup said, the trade will be executed and your robot will start working. So guys, I wish you guys all the best. Stay tuned. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and also to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. I wish you guys all the best. Stay tuned and stay blessed. Bye bye.